Hi everybody, I'm Carrie from the Frog Project, and this short sequence is wonderful for helping to relieve elements of stress and sensations of burnout, which I'm sure many of us are feeling, especially as we move into the autumn and everything is shifting again. So if you're feeling a little bit on edge, then a really gentle practice like this can be really helpful. So remembering here, the key is to move what you can, leave what you don't need to move, focusing on not depleting any of your energy and finding ways to restore and nourish the body and the mind. So let's get started. Come to the top of your mat. Bring your feet together and your hands up towards your heart. Close your eyes and just take 3 big breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. 2 more times. And on your next inhale, raise the arms up. And as you exhale, a bend in the knees, cool your body down, head and neck heavy. 2 more times. Bend through the knees, press through the feet. As you inhale, cool yourself back up the body. Keep the arms going all the way to the sky. And exhale, fold back down. Use your body to support you, head and neck heavy. 1 more time, cool yourself back up. And down. Hanging out here just for a second, head and neck heavy. Press into your hands, step your left foot back and lower the knee to the floor. Relax into your front foot, your front thigh, nice and heavy here. Stay here, or maybe lift yourself to your thigh, or perhaps your arms to the sky. And exhale, lower down. Lean to your left hand. Let your right arm peel you open. And exhale back to the center. Press to the right hand. Left side opens up. And exhale down, head and neck heavy. Tuck your back toes, send yourself back towards your runner's stretch. Take a breath. And then back to the center, tuck the back toes, send the back foot in a little bit. Exhale over your legs. Single leg forward fold. Press into your hands, lower the back knee back down, low lunge. Crawl to your left side. Lean into your hands as you step your right knee back. Coming into your tabletop pose, rolling around. Then tuck the toes, hips go high. And walk the feet all the way back to the top of the mat, head and neck heavy. Inhaling, round yourself up. Exhaling down. 2 more times like that. Crawling up, crawling down, saving energy. 1 more time. Big breath in. And really nice. All the way back down. Head and neck heavy. Press into your fingers. Step your your right leg back. Lower your right knee and foot to the floor. Low lunge. Stay here. Or bring yourself to your thigh, or maybe arms to the sky. But if you don't have the energy and you feel like staying low, then stay low. Lean to the right side. Inhale, left arm peels open. Exhale, left hand to the floor. Inhale, right side peels open. And all the way back down. Tuck those back toes. Send the hips back. Runners stretch. Inhale, back to the center. Tuck the back toe. Lift the knee. Send the foot slightly forward. And exhale over the legs. Send the right foot back. Lower the knee. Untuck the toes. Low lunge. Lean towards the right side this time. Step the left knee back. Everything back to the center. Rolling around here. And tuck the toes. Hips high. This time lift onto the toes. Exhale, lower the knees. Hips back to the heels. Forehead finds the floor. Child's pose. Stay here for as long as you like. And when you're ready to come back, push yourself up. Take a nice big breath in and a long breath out. And I hope you feel a little energized, a little lifted. And we'll see you soon.